Today is part 2 of finishing off the diamond dots process that I've already shown you how to do. These are the birds that I have just finished and I absolutely love them. I think they call this the coloured budgies or something. They don't look like budgies to me, but whatever they are, they're beautiful birds and I absolutely love them. Now, to finishing them off, I think it's quite important that you know what you're doing here. So what I've done is I got a piece of card. There's the card, the mounting card that I've got on the back, really, really nice and heavy. And I used some of the spray adhesive, which I sprayed all over the board of my mounting board. And then what I did was I laid this on top of it and then just gently just sort of pushed it down until it was well adhered to the mounting board. Then what I did was I got a rolling pin and I rolled across on that lovely firm board to make sure that all of the little crystals or diamond dots were well fixed and adhered not only to the canvas, the printed canvas, but also to make sure that there were no bubbles underneath on your mounting board. And sometimes every now and again you can just hear a little crack as one of the little diamantes or dots actually is firmly fixed on top of the canvas, and then just went down on the side and just had a wee look to make sure that there were no bubbles. Now, when you're using the spray adhesive, do it with a mask and in a well-ventilated room, and you will notice that it's got one of these little hazard things. Those are actually a warning sign to us all, and it also tells you on the back the safety that you need to adhere to. So just do it outside and away in a well-ventilated area, because our lungs are very important. So from there, once you've done that, the other thing I did was I got a paintbrush, or you could use a toothbrush, and I just went across to make sure, this is when you need your glasses, just going through to just make sure that there's no excess residues of the wax that we use to adhere the little diamantes or diamond dots to. And you might not, it's just that sometimes when you're just dipping your your little applicator in, that it does get little bits of wax just gets caught. So just make sure that all of those are off, and sometimes the little dots have like little wee bits of debris that can fall on top of your work. So just go through the whole thing, making sure, and there's a little bit of fluff, so just get rid of that bit of fluff there. Like so. Now the next thing that you can do, if you wanted to, you could get some spray varnish and spray the whole thing as a protection coat. Now if you do that, I would suggest that you do maybe 3 or 4 coats, letting it dry 24 hours in between your next application. Once you get to there, it's now just a matter of getting a frame and mounting it to whichever way that you want to present it for putting onto your wall. So as an art project, I'm actually calling it my craft meditation, because you get lost into it and it is such an enjoyable thing to do. So there are all the things that you need to know in completing your Diamond Dots project. I hope you've enjoyed that. I've really enjoyed sharing it with you and I love the whole process. See you again another day.